So it's 14th of April 2026. Uh, I'm living in India, so you'll see it's 7:25 p.m. right now, which means in New York it's around 9:55. Yeah. So what I'm looking at right now is I drew this market profile from this low to this high, right? And on the 5 minute chart, wait, yeah, and on the 1 minute chart, I'll on 1 minute two I drew it from here to here, right? And yeah, I trade all the flows and all that. I have explained it on my previous window. I'll be attaching all the screenshots of my trades which I'll be taking, including the stop losses. And when I trade my stop loss, I'll tell you where I'm putting my stop loss on my phone, but I'll not be attaching the screenshot to that because I trade really fast. So it's not like it's not very possible for me to do that. And yeah, also I'm looking at right now that it is at value area low. Sorry, this is from here to here only. So it still has to come down here to be a very A plus setup for me to take. And yeah, that's that for what I'm looking at now. And I trade on indices uh, because I sometimes trade Forex too. So I'll be switching to the futures. I'll buy some top step accounts and all that, but not right now. Maybe in May, mid May, or in the starting of May. But yeah, so I also have my trading view open up in uh, another screen which I'll be looking at. So in my trading view, I just drew my support and resistance level. So and my bias. So yeah, I don't have a clear bias right now. So yeah, I think I'll just wait for the market to do its thing and to confirm which side it wanna go, and then I'll trade on that. But yeah, right now I'm not too sure about the uh, side my bias. So yeah, I think today might be a sideways market, so I'll be trading that setup, right? Like I'll buy here, sell here, or whatever the range the market forms. Like wha- what was the move that it gave from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. to right 10 a.m. Yeah, which was this move all the way up here, right? So I'm currently seeing that there were big buy orders placed over here, but the market uh, is not, it's not respecting those buyer rates, and instead of that, it has absorbed these buyers, right? So I might take, sell trade to the value area low. I'll not trade that much today because, as I said, I don't have a clear bias of uh, this right now. I'm entering a trade right now or sell one. Yeah, I just did. My SL is over here, and my TP is at this value area low, which I might change to over here because this was the big move that came. Yeah. this would be my today's last take profit, right? I, I would win a sell trade. So yeah, let's hope for the best. It's giving some good rejections from this area, but the volume is not that good, right? Like it formed, P type structure, but also this was like a curve over here. So yeah, I've only risked about. Oh, sorry, I did not put my SL. Yeah, so my SL is over here, not here. Right. Initially, I thought that my SL should be here, but it was like only $3 to $5 of difference. I risked around $25 per trade, but today I'll just risk around $15 to $20 only. Yeah, this is pretty good candle. Yeah, this is also good. Sorry, a great track for bullish buyers. Like it should come down to over here at least. This needs to be a track from the value profile of this candle. As you can see, there is not a lot of you know uh, trades placed at this candle and this candle. So might just shoot out to here and then go back down, which is extremely possible in this case because uh, you know uh, yeah, let's be patient and see what happens. I'm not risking a lot, so I'm not tensed about it at all. Yeah, see, there are big trades placing at right at this level. You can see the delta increasing. So this means that the buyers are loading up at this level, right? But if it absorbs this, that would be great, right? And you can see over here that there are a lot of negative delta over here, but this is the only, bullish bullish delta. My new SL is over here. Yeah, these buyers are absorbed right now. This above these buyers would be, there are a lot of imbalance at this level. You can see that this rejected from at a great level, so I'm really confident about it. this kind of volume profile is not looking, too good. Let's see what happens. Like there are a lot of buy pressure and sell pressure at the same time. Yeah, broke that. Still have a couple of pips left for my SL. Yeah, my SLS. But are we waiting for another setup to form? So let's wait and see where it takes us. Came back to the value area low, rejected from the POC, and this great level of support. So yeah, if I see my setup, I'll be taking it. I'm jumping in on a buy trade right now. It's looking good. This is my SL, and I don't have a TV yet for buy trade right now. So let's see where I can, till when I can trail it, or where would I wanna exit my position. So let's just wait and watch. The only issue that I'm seeing in this is this level over here. That's the only issue that I'm seeing. If it breaks past this with a big green volume or a seller's absorbed candle, that would be like, I'd be sure that my TP is gonna hit. Right? I currently have my TP at 123 risk reward. So yeah, I I'm at currently 1 to 1, and I really wanna trail myself to break even or something like that. But
I don't see the opportunity to do that. Like, where should I put myself? I'm seeing it to come down to over here at least. Or sorry, not at least, but I'm seeing that it can come to over down over here and clear out these all these imbalances. Like, these are there are many imbalances in this candle, and yeah. So if it breaks past this and rejects from this these imbalances, that would be like too good. Like, if it rejects from this imbalance, then I'll surely tell myself to break even, which it is doing currently. Yeah, I'm putting myself below over here, not over here, but it might clear out this imbalance too. So I'm where should I put it? Let me check. I'm putting it over here, which is my break even point. And not a good sign. Not a good sign. If this same structure of order flow would have formed over here, that then I would be like very happy. But it is forming at the top of the range, which is like similar to the buyer's absorbed strategy of mine. Yeah, my SL was hit. My break even point was hit. Yeah, so this might be the only range for at least the AM session. So I'm seeing for any selling confirmation, and I'll be targeting this value area low or this value area low over here. Definitely not gonna uh, wait for this value area low for to get hit. As I said, I was not able to determine a clear bias for today, so I'm currently in my trading view chart and trying to see if there's anything that which will help me tell that yeah, it will be my a bullish or a bearish day for today. I'm not seeing anything. If these sellers get absorbed, right, then I'll take this buy trade. Whatever it does over here, I'll be taking a trade, right? Because it's at the value area high, right? And if any momentum is gonna happen, it's gonna happen right now. Like, you can see the sellers are getting absorbed, right? I'm just waiting for it to retrace a bit and give me a good entry. Like, right now, my stop loss would be over here, which is like very insignificant because it might just come back over here to take these, you know, respect this resistance over here. So I'm living on this buy right now. You can see there are big buyers at this level also. Like 228 trades were placed at this level. So this is like, but these are not the the sleeper buyers. They are like active buyers. So sorry, not active buyers. Uh, I'm forgetting the word. Leave it. I hope these buyers don't get absorbed. Is there anything to be worried about? I don't know. I just don't. If it comes back up here and rejects, then I'll be out on my break-even point. But if not, then I'll go. So my current stop loss, which I did put, I don't think I told you guys, but it's over here, right? Below these buyers also. Yeah, it's not looking too good for me. There's not a lot of volume right now. Oh, I forgot to put my volume now indicator. As you can see, at this point, the current volume on this on the market is this 1k, around 1k. 1k contracts are being placed at this between this range. The only thing that I'm worried about is these buyers that got absorbed, like, and it's not respecting, you know, these absorbed sellers also. I'm trailing myself over here because it came back to this absorbed buyers level, and if it does not respect this absorbed sellers level once again, I don't want to be in this trade. I'll look for another entry or something like that. Now I think it's looking good for me right now. I'm pretty confident in this trade. Bro, this once again a value in my life. Why? Why does this keep happening to me? It's respecting this. I think I'm gonna move myself to break even right now. Yeah. And I said is at break even, which is this candle, the low of this candle, exactly the low of this candle. I'm not seeing, a good buyer rationale which is me, market is responding to which I'll be adding a small position. Give my minute. So let me first tell you where my assets are. My assets are over here. If it breaks the high of this candle, then I'll be moving myself over here because this is a good, you know, this would make a good rejection point. Let's see what happens. No, it's a different from that area only. I think this might be an absorption over here. I think this would make an absorption because of this level, and if it does, then it would not be good for me to take the loss. I'm moving myself over here. Yeah, no, it's not absorbed. Bias executed. It's looking good for me right now. Like these, there are a lot of bias over here also. I hope they don't get absorbed. They also don't get absorbed. But yeah, I'm at break even right now. If I, you know, I lost board. I mean, if I take SLs on both of the grades, that would be break even for me. I don't. I won't be making any money, but I won't be losing it too. Like, let me give you one more example of the confirmation. Like, uh, this is red candle, but the delta on this candle is positive, like green. So it gave me confluence that you know this might be a might just be, how do I say it? Might just be good for the bullish, the buy trades. So yeah, if the candle closes green and there's a negative delta over here, I'll be putting my, yeah, I'm putting myself over here because the delta is red. It's near to my DP point. I put my TP at 1 to 2 this time, not 1 to 3. So let's see what happens. it hits my SL over here, I might be planning to give another get another try after it. If it rejects from here, from the point of control over here. Yeah, I'm out.
Bro, holy shit. Like, I don't know what to say right now. This happened twice today, right? If I was not out on my SL, it would have been my TP. Yeah, I'm entering the sell position right now. Given a lot of breathing space, so if the candle comes over here or something like that, then I'll be out. And also, if it takes it, if my SL is it, I'll be adding a position. I'll just buy. But that is my my current bias. My SL would be this handle or below the struggle. What is my secret? Yeah, it's looking good for me, for my sell position. Is it? Yeah, it's it's looking good. So my what to do is over here, right? At this point. Yeah, I'm safe for that. Yeah, my SL is at break even right now. Why don't think I'll just take a screenshot right now. I'm break even on this position. But still, it's looking good for me. I don't think it should, hit the break even point even. The only uh, stress that I'm having right now is of this POC where this buy trade was placed. The delta is looking very good for me and the volume too. Like it's 2K, it's all right this time of the session. It's very near to my TP. So my new SL is over this channel. I know it's not safe, but I don't want to be at break even after this push because this is a POC level, right? It might just result from this point over here. Yeah, I'm out. If it rejects from here, then I'll be selling in more once again. That's for sure. But if not, then I'll be buying because the sellers were trapped over here and the buyers are pushing over here near the POC too. Like that's a lot of confluence for me to enter. I'm buying. So my current TP is right at this level. Okay. Let me be clear, I'm already in this state. I'll take a screenshot right now. Whatever happens, I'm good with that. bro. Uh, I don't know, bro. It's an bullish. They should have jumped up, but yeah, I did not. So maybe because of this level, but yeah, I had my consequences and I had to take this trade because these are my rules. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Not risk a lot. Yeah, yeah. I'm, I don't think I've even risked. Yeah, I did risk my last trade's profit, but it's okay. Yeah, no, it's not looking good. Again, I have rejected from this level, but like you see, this like it does not make sense for it to go down furthermore. Yeah, just come on. My answer is over here. Right now, I failed it. I'm still on this trade. Let's see. Yeah, this handle is good. Like the buyers might not get absorbed over here. I don't think it should because the volume, like you see this P shape, right? So it's a confirmation, volume profile. The only issue over here is this range, right? Because To form a complete P, it should have been in a, how do I, what do you say it like, uh, let me see if there is, uh, no, there is no pen tool over here, but to form a P, it should have been like this, right? It's like this.
But it's looking good. It is looking good for me as of now. Price is near value area high of this trend. The trend it is over here to here, right? It's the value area high. So the value area high is not the high of the topmost candle. The value area high is the you know the level where the highest volume of trades were placed in a range. So that's called the value area high, as it is specified in its name, right? Mm. Yeah, this is the P shape. Like you can see this, right? This might be a bearish candle, but it does not represent, the bearish, the start of the bearish move. All right. So I'll still be holding my, uh, my SL, my original SL. 1 second. But this time you can see that uh, all the sell trades were placed at this level, which matches the candlestick. So this would mean that the you know sell trend would start. I'm not putting my SL over here. I'm just seeing what the price was at. And as I told you that this does not mean the start of a selling candle. Sorry, a selling move. But yeah, this could have been that, but you can see that this was a POC level and the bias stepped in over here, came in clutch for me. I'm very near to my TP right here. Let's cross our fingers and hope it does get it. Bro, what is this, man? This candle is good. The green candle was that way. It is at the value area high and that all, but then I'm willing to go to my, you know, TP, full TP. I'm gonna at least take 1 to 1, right? Like below this was not even 1 to 1. This is exactly 1 to 1. Bro, come on, like 1 or 2 weeks more. Only 1 or 2 weeks. This is like peak edging, bro. Peak edging. Oh, oh man. Yeah, this is my last trade and then mentally for this. Like, I cannot handle anything more. Oh, come on, bro. Why? Why are you not hitting it? I've drilled myself to you. I'm out. I'm out of trade right now.